Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for returning. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Remember to give me a thumbs up and share. Today we're going to be making a wall decor. And what you're going to need for this wall decor is 2 pieces of backing, and I already have one attached to my mirror. Of course, you're going to need a mirror. This is a 6-inch mirror. You're going to need 2 embroidery hoops. This is a 6-inch. This is an 8-inch. You're going to need some beads, the color of your choice. You're also going to need some of these pony beads. It doesn't matter what color. I just happen to have the clear ones. You're going to need some pearls. Now, I use the Dollar Tree pearls. You can also buy the flat back pearls, which would probably make this a little bit easier. But I'm using the 14 millimeter and the 12 millimeter beads from the Dollar Tree. And also, this silverware, I've taken mine apart, but you're going to need to take them apart. I think I have 35 of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 35, but I have all 35 already set up. You're also going to need glue stick and glue gun, and of course I use the Gorilla glue sticks for my projects. You can also use any strong adhesive of your choice if you like, or you can also use the glue sticks. So let's get started. First, what you're going to do is take your mirror and attach it to your backing, like I have already attached mine, so you can see that. Attach it to your backing. And then you're going to take your 6-inch and embroidery hoop. Of course, I had to cut mine a little bit. And attach your mirror to your embroidery hoop. Once you get your mirror attached to your 6-inch embroidery hoop, go ahead and attach it to your backing that you're going to put your design on. After that, you're going to take 2 of your little pony beads, and you're going to attach them together. And once you do that, they're going to look like this. You're going to take one of your 14 millimeter beads and attach it to the top of your pony beads. Now, these beads have holes in them, and I made sure that my holes were on top. So once you attach them, they'll look like this. Oh, you can see that. I'll turn it both ways so you can see. They'll look just like that. You're going to take those beads and you're going to place them around your 6-inch embroidery hoop with your mirror. Before you do that, you're going to want to take your beads and attach them to the top of your embroidery hoop. Make sure this is long. I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll be back. Once you get your beads on your mirror, you're going to want to start gluing your 14 millimeter pearls that you put on your pony beads. Make sure you can see this down around your mirror. they're going to look like this. And I'm going to finish gluing these around here off camera, and I'll be back to show you what it looked like when it's completed. Okay, once you get all of those glued down around there, that's the way that it should look. Now you're going to take your 8-inch embroidery hoop. If it's too small, you can cut it and open it up. I had to cut mine and open it up to cut some off because it was too big. Now, of course, it's just a tad bit too small, but you want it to fit really, really snug around your pearls, and you want to glue it down just like that. So I'm going to go glue mine, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, when you get the second embroidery hoop on, that's what it's going to look like. Now for the rest of the decoration, I already cut mine, but these can come in a set with the knife, fork, and spoon. I just bought all forks. You can actually buy all spoons. The most important thing is the handle. The handle is kind of curved. It also has this little piece that goes in here. If you want to take it out and color it, you can. Any color you want, that would be the color of the beads that you put on. I left mine silver. But what you're going to do is take, take one of those 10mm beads, and right on the tip of this you're going to glue it. And remember, I glued mine with the holes up. You can use the flat back beads if you like. When you're done, it's going to look like that. You're going to take these and start placing them, just for placement for now, around your design. Once you get a feel of where you want them and how many you need, you can start to glue them down. I'm going to finish placing these down, and I'll be back. Okay, there's one step I forgot to tell you, to line your second hoop with your beads, so you have 2 rows of beads. And when you get all your handles placed on your board, they should look something like this, and then you can start gluing them down. And I think there's 35. I'll count them to be sure. Okay, I'm going to finish gluing these down and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, when you get done with that step, this is what this should look like. I hope you can see that. And you can leave it just like that. I think it came out beautiful, just the way that it is. However, I think I want to add more decoration to mine, and these are 10mm beads. I have 14 and 12 in here. The 14 going around here, the 12 here. So I think I'm going to add some 10. And this is totally optional. You don't have to. I just think that I want to add something a little more to mine. And these also have holes in them. Okay, I'm going to finish these off camera. I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, there's the completed product. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY. If you have, leave me a comment below to let me know. If you enjoy these types of DIYs, please comment below to let me know. Everyone, please be safe, and I'll see you at my next DIY.